Okay, I am in the process of hanging up this black magnetic border. I love that it's magnetic because it makes it hanging so much easier. I spent a lot of time last year hanging up this one, but it's not a magnetic one. It's just you tape it and then it's kind of a pain in the butt to move. So these are all magnets on the back. Here, this is what it looks like. It's about 2 feet long and then a little over 1.5 inches maybe wide. I love the scalloped border. You can see I obviously have a bunch of that around my classroom, but you can kind of adjust it as you need, which is really convenient. And then right here, I have them just like lined up together, so you can push them together to make sure there's no gap. The quality is really good. It comes with a handful of these just wrapped up, and then you set them on your board. In my case, it's a magnetic whiteboard, and it sticks really nicely. The magnet is actually very strong, and then you can just kind of slide it over and place it and adjust as need. I love just the plain black. I have a ton of borders around my room, so these ones are awesome. And then when I'm done using them, like for the year when I try and clean things up, I just take them off and then I will be able to reuse them the following year. So these are awesome. This brand actually sent them to me, and they're really good quality and they're perfect for my classroom. I feel like it just adds a little bit of character and cuteness to the board.